turn the page soft, like you're easing me into morning. This year waits at the window, patient as a promise.
Yeah, you keep your doubts in the pocket of a winter coat, counting every could've been like loose change. But there's a quiet in your hands that's learning to hold, gentle, deliberate, the way a mirror learns its own face. Like slips underneath the door, slow and certain, and you realize the calendar is only paper waiting for your script. No fireworks, no loud vows, just the small things. Pay the rent on your time, answer the quiet calls, build a house out of Tuesdays, keep the roof of your name, and watch the world begin to recognize the shape of you. 2026 begins the moment you decide to take yourself seriously. When you stop apologizing for the space you need to breathe. It starts in the small rituals, the mornings, the truth, the lines we keep. When you learn to be your own returning tide. This is the year you show up, not for a crowd, but for yourself. Put your phone down like you're putting the child to sleep. Close the chapter on borrowed expectations. There's a ledger in your chest with honest entries. Love, work, repair, and you start to balance it with the soft weight of patience. No need for epic beginnings, the steady kind will do. Pay attention, keep promises to the person you see in the glass. Let your yes be a map, let your no be a border clear. Say the small important things you used to swallow whole. Tend your edges like the garden, fierce and full and fair. And watch how the light moves differently when you stand there. 2026 begins the moment you decide to take yourself seriously. When you hold your own name like a glass and drink it slow. It starts with the courage of quiet, with plans, with care, with time. When you stop waiting for permission and begin to build. This is the year you show up steady